Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the voucher itself and why that matters. Region locks and value determine demand and price. Once confirmed, make sure your seller account is verified with phone and email, and attach a reliable payout method so buyers trust you. Next, create a concise listing that states code delivery method, exact dollar value, region, and a brief refund policy. Doing these first steps reduces disputes and speeds sales, so act on them now. You now set the transaction mechanics. Pick delivery, instant code via messenger, email, or QR, and state a clear processing time in minutes. Once done, route payments through escrow, platform wallet, or payment processors that offer dispute mediation. This protects you and the buyer. Make sure your price covers fees and market rates. Often a 5 to 10% discount brings faster offers. Finally, keep templates for messages and code delivery to stay fast. You finalize sales by waiting for buyer confirmation before you mark the voucher delivered. Ask for a screenshot or success confirmation to prevent fraud. After delivery, log timestamp, code serial, buyer ID, and all messages. This evidence resolves disputes. If a problem occurs, pause active listings to prevent repeat issues. Contact platform support and provide your logs. If the buyer proves a valid claim, offer a partial refund or replacement. This approach protects reputation and keeps operations running.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.